Okay. Now what we are going to do next is to extract the variant that we identified in the tumor sample. Okay. Remember we had normal and then the tumor, but I want to focus on the tumor sample. So I will need to extract the variants or subset the variants that have been identified in the tumor sample. Okay, so we are going to use bcf2 to do this. So to select variants that are present in a particular sample in a multi-sample VCF using bcftools, we use this command. So we say bcftools view, and then we say -s to specify the sample. So here the sample is what? Tumor. And then I'll say variants.or.parse.vcf.gz. And then I also need to indicate this options -c1. So this lets me select the true variants. Okay, the true variants that have been identified in that particular sample. That is this one here. So that is what I have. And I'll say -oz -o, and I'll say tumor.vcf.gz. So I'll execute this command to subset the variants. Perfect, that has been done. So let's do an ls. We are going to find the tumor.vcf.gz. Now I'm going to index this VCF. So I'll say bcftools index. And I'll say tumor.vcf.gz. So I'll execute this command. Perfect, that has also been done. So now we can continue. So let's clear the screen. Let's do an ls again and then proceed.